everyone look at my surroundings. Where I am? Yes, I am in a garden. Okay, in the garden, what I am going to do now? Yes, I am going to teach you a story. Okay, what is the story name? I told you, right? Growing flowers. Okay, let's recall our old parts. Yes, what is the story name? Growing flowers. Okay, see, one day they went for a jungle. They learned about the trees. Okay, these trees are make our surroundings fresh and green. See, everyone look at these trees. See, now the trees are giving us, how it's trees? Yes, trees are giving our surroundings green. Everyone look the green colors. Yes, green and fresh. I also am in the garden, right? I feel very fresh. Why? Yes, trees are surrounded me, right? So, I am very fresh and I feel very greenish color. See, whenever I see the colors, whenever I see the places, I can see the green colors. Okay, see, then they come back to home. But she wanted to plant a tree. What she want to do? She want to plant a tree. Yes, she told to her mother, Mummy, I wanted to plant a tree. Correct? Yes. Why? See, they went for the garden, right? Yes. So, they learn more about trees. That's what she want to plant a tree. Okay. Then, the both are decided where they want to plant a tree. Yes. Look at this. They want to plant a tree in their garden. Where? In their garden. Okay. Then, they decided what plant they want to plant, what tree they want to plant in their garden. They decided, right? Yes. What plant? What is the name of the plant? Yes, this is a tulip. What is this? Tulips. See, she liked the tulip very much. So, she decided to plant a tulip in their garden. In their garden. Okay. Okay. For that, what they want to do? They want to plant a tulip. What they want to do? Yes, they both are went for the nursery garden. In the nursery garden, we have a flower plant and we have a lot of small plants, right? Yes, so they went for the nursery garden. They buy some tulip bulbs. They buy some tulip bulbs. Why? Yes, we want to plant a tulip. We need to buy tulip bulbs. Okay, baby? Okay? Yes. Okay. Then, what they want to do? Where they want to go? Where? Yes, they take the tulip bulbs and went to the garden. Why? They want to plant it, right? So, they reached the garden. On Sunday, they reached the garden. Okay. Then, what, mom? See, then, what is this? This is a tulip bulbs. This is a, what is this color? What is this color? This is a brown color. Is it so? Yes. With a point, it's like a pointed onion, right? Yes. Okay. See, then what mom told to her? If we want to go to the garden, we want to take, what are the things? Everyone look at these things. Now I am in a garden. I take all these things. Okay. Then I have to reach the garden. What are the things? What is this? This is a hand slower. This is a hand slower. Okay. This is a watering can. This is, I taken a small bucket. Then I take a small pot. Okay. These are the things to, we want to do the planting means we want to take all these things along with us, right? Then only we can do the planting over in the garden. Okay, let's see. I am reached the garden with all these things. Next, what do you want to do? See, mom told to her to dig the soil and make it loose. What do you want to do? We want to dig the soil and make it loose. Come on, everyone, look at this. Now, what I am going to do? Now, I am going to do the digging the soil. What I am doing? I am to digging the soil. Why we want to dig the soil? Then only it make it loose. Okay, see, I have to duck and duck. See, everyone, look at this. I have to duck and duck until I reach a hole is quite big. Why? Yes. Why? Because I want to plant tulip bulbs on it. Okay, what I am going to do now? See, I have to duck and duck until the hole is big enough. Everyone, look at this hole. Now, it's quite big, right? To place the tulip bulbs on it, right? Yes, see, everyone, look at this. Now the ground is little bit solid, right? Yes, now I'm going to place the tulip bulbs on it. Okay, see, now I reached the garden. Next, what I did? I dig the soil and make the hole quite big. Then I have to place the tulip bulbs. Everyone is clear up to this? Next, what do you want to do? Then, next, I'm going to take some, what is this? Some soil, and I have to make the hole like this. Why? I'm closing tulip bulbs with the sand, with the soil. Why? Now, did you find out the tulip bulbs over here? No. Why? See, I have to cover the tulip bulbs with the soil, right? Yes. So, next, what do you want? Why I am doing like this, baby? Why I cannot leave the tulip bulbs open? See, tulip bulbs, birds like tulip bulbs very much. Okay, sometimes if I leave it open, the birds come and eat that. So, I have to save the tulip bulbs from the birds. That's what I have to close the tulip bulbs with the soil. Okay, next, what do you want to do? What do you want to do? See, I want to pour some water on it. See, I have to pour some water on it. See, look at this, what I am doing. I am put the water on it. See, Abram, look at this ground. How is now ground? It's like a tiny pool, right? It mixes up with the soil and water. Okay, baby? See, like this, you want to do the planting of tulips. Okay? See, I have to give you an activity for this week. Okay, baby? Everyone take the big onion. Everyone take the big onion, and you have to dig the soil like this, and you have to place this big onion on it, and you have to close the onion with the soil. Then you have to pour some water on it. Okay, you have to observe it will get grown up or not. Okay, baby. Next, I want to put some fertilizers over here. What is this? What is this, baby? This is a fertilizers. What is the fertilizers? Okay, what is the fertilizers? Okay, how we are getting energy? How we are getting energy and nutrients? How we are getting energy and nutrients? Yes, from the food we are getting energy and nutrients, right? Like this. If you want to grow up the plant, we should put some nutrients in the soil. From this fertilizers only, the plants get nutrients. Okay. If we are eating food only, we are work with energy, right? We also grown up, right? Like this. Plants also want nutrients, right? Yes. Okay. That's what I put some fertilizers on it. See, I have to mix the fertilizer in the soil. I have to mix the fertilizers in the soil. Then only my tulip plants will grow up very fast. I am giving more nutrients for this tulip plants. Okay. Finally, I place some fertilizers on it. I have done the planting of tulip plants. Next, I take all the things. Again, I come back to home. Then I want to do the hand wash. What I'm doing? I'm doing the hand wash. Okay? Everyone is clear, baby? Up to this? Everyone is clear up to this? See, everyone look at the story. Now, everyone look at the story. What I did, they given us a story. See, what mom told to that dig the soil, then you have to make it loose. Then see, she going to duck and duck. What he is doing? Duck and duck until the hole was quite big. Then what she did? See, make the tulip bulbs on a hole. Okay, baby? Okay. See, how is the ground like? How the ground like now? It look like a small tiny pool, right? Yes. See, look at our pool, our ground also like a small tiny pool, right? Yes. This is also look like a small tiny pool, right? Yes. Okay. Next what she did? See, cover the tulip bulbs with the soil. Okay. Why? We need to protect the tulip bulbs from the birds. Okay. Next, what she did? What she have in this hand? What is this? Yes, this is a fertilizer. What is this? This is a fertilizer. I also make it some fertilizers on the tulip bulbs, right? Same like she put some fertilizer on the soil. Okay, what she did? She put some fertilizers on the soil. Okay, now what happened? What she did? See, she take all the things and come back to home and she did the hand wash. See, she washed the mud from their hands. See, if you are doing plantering means we have some mud in their hands, right? Yes, we want to wash properly from the mud from our hands. Okay, whenever you go to the garden, you come back to home, you should wash your hands properly and you have to wash your legs properly. Okay, baby? Okay, everyone is clear up to this? Finally, we'll plant tulip bulbs our garden. Okay? Okay, baby? Then next class we'll see the remaining story part. Okay, baby? Okay.
Careful, tiger. Don't destroy the plants. Even they have life. I am a plant, your friends are green. All around you I am seen. My main parts are the stems and roots. Leaves, colorful flowers and fruits. We are roots, underground we grow. In search of water, deeper we go. We suck water through our walls and fix the plant so it doesn't fall. I am a stem and because of me a plant can stand upright, you see. I connect all parts with the roots. To them I supply water and food. I am a leaf, I'm mostly green. In many shapes and sizes I'm seen. I cook food for the plant in sunlight. Just like you, I breathe day and night. I am a flower with petals so bright, scented, colorful or white. I have very sweet nectar in me that's loved by birds, butterflies and bees. I am a fruit from a flower I grow. I have seeds in me that you sow. I taste sour when I'm unripe, juicy and sweet when I am ripe. I'm so sorry. I'll try to be more careful next time.